Hello everyone, welcome again from USA Canada Visa Help. Yes, in the last video we discussed what is green card, right, and who approves it. So you already know what green card is. Green card means the permit of your residence in USA. So you will become a permanent resident in USA if you have a green card, not only a card that has a green color, okay? And you also know that USCIS grants green card, so you have the basic idea. Now I will tell you what are the relevant green card processes and procedures, because you need to know everything, because there are two objectives. Like you may have one of the two options. I am giving you the ideas or giving you the concepts with an objective to educate you, so that either you can petition by yourself if you feel confident enough and if you think that you are in control. Otherwise, you will be able to be in a solid position to have a good bargain with your lawyer or an immigration attorney, because immigration attorneys or lawyers are going to charge extra money if you have no idea at all, and they understand that whatever they tell you is the final you're thinking, and you do not have any alternative thinking. So if you have a lot of knowledge, then you are in a pretty good position to make a bargain, or you can at least understand what they're telling. Otherwise you will be in complete darkness. Okay, so this is better, this is always better to have a solid grab on the thing that you are dealing with. Okay, so now today I will tell you what are the related green card processes and procedures. If you know these, then you will be a really good candidate for application, either by yourself, by self petitioning, or you have a good bargain with your attorney or lawyer if you were not that much confident but you want a good deal, right? So that is the objective of my discussion. So what are the green card processes and procedures? I will just tell you the brief today, and one by one I will discuss in my consecutive videos. So you have to look at the next videos to understand them in a more elaborate fashion. So today I'm going to tell you what are the process and procedures. So what you do is you go to uscis.gov as I discussed in my last video. Then you go to green card drop down, and then you go to green card processes and procedures. This is on the top of the left of the drop down. So click on here. Now you come to this place. So this is very simple to come to this place, and you know what are the things relevant to your green card processes and procedures. So first, green card eligibility categories. There are multiple categories under which you can apply for your green card. You may wonder what category you are best fit for. So this is a very important thing to understand. And then adjustment of status. What adjustment of status means is you are already in USA with a valid visa, so you want to change that visa to green card or permanent residency. Like you are here in USA for studentship, like F1 visa, or you are in USA for a job visa or something that is not immigrant visa. Like you can be also here in tourist visa. So there are many things you can do here with a non-immigrant visa, but you cannot stay in USA forever. So what you can do is you can adjust the status. If you file for green card and eventually if it gets approved, then you will be able to adjust the status and become a green card holder or permanent resident, not a non-immigrant visa holder like F1 visa or B1 B2 visa holder. And another thing is consular processing. So if you are not in USA, if you are in your home country but you want to apply for immigrant visa or green card from your country, that is also possible if you are found eligible, or if you belong to a valid category that gives the way to the green card. So that is another thing you have to understand, that if you are not in USA, then you should go through consular processing. Adjustment of status will not apply in that scenario, because in your country, in your home country, you are going to go to consular office or consular processing, not adjustment of status, which is applicable for people in USA with another status like non-immigrant status, and they convert into green card. But if you are in your home country, then you go through consular processing. This is the thing. And another way, in another situation, you may have to go through the consular processing even if you were in USA, but your visa has expired, or somehow you cannot adjust the status for any critical immigration reason. In that situation, you have to go through consular processing. Okay. And now, what is concurrent filing? Concurrent filing is you apply for your green card, like you apply for your petition, like immigrant petition, and you also file for your adjustment of status. So there are two things involved. For example, I-130, I-140, or these kinds of petitions you do, and also you do adjustment of status together, I-485. Those are very technical things, but I will tell you in greater detail in the upcoming videos. Concurrent filing means you are very much confident and you want to move with the adjustment of status at the same time, or with the same application of your petition. Like you are very much confident that your immigrant petition will get approved. If you get approved, then if you do not do concurrent filing, what do? You first go with I-130 or I-140, and then when that gets approved, the petition gets approved, then you adjust the status and you file I-485, which is for adjustment of status. But if you are very confident, then no, I am very much sure that USCIS will grant me the approval and also will adjust my status, because I am sure that my petition will get approved. So in that situation, you do concurrent filing. Okay, I will tell you in greater detail. And visa availability and priority dates. Yes, I will also discuss this. I will also discuss travel documents, like when you can travel outside the USA after applying for green card, or you already have your green card. So I will tell you that. I will tell you about employment authorization document, without which you cannot legally work in USA. It is important to have EAD, or employment authorization document, to work in USA legally. Okay, you understand that? And that is a petition called I-765 petition. I will tell you in greater detail everything, so keep watching. Immigration, medical examinations, this is another required thing. Okay, so I'll discuss everything. Affidavit of support, like the company which will file for, if you go through employment based immigration or employment based green card, then affidavit of support is required from the company that you will work for. Okay, and then public charge means you have to convince the authority or USCIS that you will not be a burden for USA. That is called public charge. You will not be a public charge, like you will not spend too much money of US government for your welfare. Rather, you will earn money for yourself, and also you will be able to contribute to the US government with some taxes. So that is called, you are not a burden, or you are not a public charge, and you have to convince that to USCIS. Child Support Protection Act, there is an act, and I also will discuss this. These are not too much important, but I will still discuss this. And transfer of underlying basis, so I will also discuss these things. So everything I will discuss in the subsequent videos, so keep watching. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.